When you search for the best video doorbells, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to figure out what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell 2K. The Ring Battery Doorbell 2K caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek matte mocha finish. Priced at $99.99, it's a solid choice for anyone wanting high-quality video without breaking the bank. If you want a doorbell that offers clear, detailed video, this one is worth a serious look. So, what makes this doorbell special? The Retinal 2K video quality lets you see everything in crisp clarity. Imagine being able to zoom in up to 6x, so you can easily identify faces or details from 30 feet away. That's crucial if you ever need to verify who's at your door. Plus, with real-time alerts sent straight to your phone when motion is detected, you won't miss a beat. The live view and two-way talk features allow you to see and communicate with visitors instantly, which is super handy. This doorbell has received a solid 4.2 star rating from nearly 5,000 reviews, and over 10,000 units were sold just last month. Now, I have to be honest, some users complained about the battery life not lasting as long as expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who doesn't mind a little maintenance, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep an eye on the battery and recharge when necessary. This is perfect for you if you want a great balance of quality and price. Skip this one if you want hardwired options, or if you're looking for something with extensive smart home integrations. For $99.99, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the battery life concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Like New Ring Battery Doorbell. Next up is the Like New Ring Battery Doorbell, priced at $89.99. This refurbished option still provides top-notch performance while being a bit kinder on your wallet. If you want a reliable video doorbell that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. This doorbell features head-to-toe video, giving you 66% more vertical coverage compared to previous models. This means you can keep an eye on more of your entryway, which is especially useful for delivering packages or monitoring visitors. The built-in battery charges via USB-C, making it simple to keep powered up. Users can also receive real-time alerts when motion is detected, so you'll always know who's at your door. With an impressive 4.5 star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that many buyers are pleased. However, since it's a refurbished model, some customers noted minor cosmetic issues. But honestly, if you're mainly focused on functionality rather than aesthetics, it shouldn't be an issue. The performance is still top-notch. This is perfect for you if you're budget-conscious but want a solid doorbell with excellent features. Skip this one if you prefer brand new models or extensive smart features. For $89.99, you get great value while saving a few bucks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want impressive battery life. Product number 3, Blink Video Doorbell. Next, we have the Blink Video Doorbell, which is quite the steal at $59.99. This doorbell is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable yet effective solution. If you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this one's for you. What sets this doorbell apart is its impressive 2-year battery life. That means you can install it and forget about changing batteries for ages. It also features a head-to-toe HD view, making it easier to monitor your entrance both day and night with infrared night vision. Plus, the installation process is a breeze, whether you go wire-free or connect it to existing wiring. With about 15,500 reviews and a 4.1 star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. That said, some users mentioned experiencing connectivity issues if their Wi-Fi signal isn't strong. Here's the thing though, if you have a reliable Wi-Fi connection, this shouldn't be a deal breaker and could save you a lot of money. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, low-maintenance video doorbell. Skip this one if you need advanced features or have a weak Wi-Fi signal. For $59.99, it's hard to argue with the value here. Now, if you're looking for something with even higher video quality, our next pick might be just the ticket. Product number 4, Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro. Coming in hot at $179.99 is the Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro. This model caught my attention with its promise of top-tier video quality. If you want the clearest video on the market, this is worth a serious look. The Retinal 4K video is a game changer, giving you stunning clarity to see every detail. You can zoom in up to 10x, making it perfect for identifying faces or license plates. The 3D motion detection feature means you'll get accurate alerts without constant notifications about passing cars or leaves blowing. Plus, it has low light sight for clear footage even after dark. With around 1,400 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, many users rave about its performance. However, some users found the installation a bit challenging compared to battery-operated models. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable with DIY projects and have the time, it's not a deal-breaker. You'll get a top-quality product in return. This is perfect for you if you want the best video quality and don't mind a wired installation. Skip this one if you prefer easy DIY setups or on a tighter budget. For $179.99, you're investing in high-quality security. Now, if you want something that combines portability and features, the next product is a fantastic option. Product number 5, Ring Battery Doorbell 2K+. Last but not least, we have the Ring Battery Doorbell 2K+, priced at $179.99. This model takes everything great about the previous doorbells and amps it up. If you want a blend of convenience and high-quality video, give this one a shot. The Retinal 2K video allows for clear visuals, and like the others, it features up to 6x enhanced zoom. What's really impressive is the night vision capability, which lets you see in color even in low light. You'll also get instant mobile alerts when there's motion. The quick-release battery pack is a fantastic addition that makes recharging super easy. This product boasts a 4.2-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, showing that many users appreciate its improvements. However, some found a price a bit steep compared to other options. But honestly, if you're looking for a product that blends features with quality, this is worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality video without the hassle of complicated setups. Skip this one if you're looking for budget options. At $179.99, it's a fair price for what you're getting. So, to quickly recap, we've looked at the Ring Battery Doorbell 2K, the like-new Ring Battery Doorbell, the Blink Video Doorbell, the Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro, and finally, the Ring Battery Doorbell 2K+. Each has its strengths, depending on your specific needs and budget. In summary, if you prefer a battery-operated option with decent video quality, the Ring Battery Doorbell 2K is a great pick. The like-new Ring Battery Doorbell is awesome for budget-conscious shoppers. If you want fantastic battery life, the Blink Video Doorbell is hard to beat. For the ultimate in video clarity, check out the Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro. And finally, the Ring Battery Doorbell 2K Plus offers an excellent balance of features and performance. Choose what suits your needs best.